Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 9 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So basically we've got two different ways to block a number. The first one is using, let's say, settings, and the second is using directly our contact list. And we will begin with this one with the contacts, so let's open them. Here we have to find the contact we would like to edit and tap on it. I mean edit, block. Now let's tap on this three dot icon in the right upper corner and tap on block numbers. As you can see, your device will ask you if you really want to block this number, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. I don't want to report it as a spam, so let me untick this option and simply tap on block. And as you can see, here we've got this characteristic icon. What's more, we've got the info that this number has been immediately and successfully blocked. Of course, you can unblock it the same way, just by tapping on the three dots icon and tapping on unblock numbers, but let me leave it like this. We will check how it will look, if it will appear on the blacklist, not how it will look like on it. So as I said, the second way to block a number is using the settings, and here in this way, it doesn't really matter if you will be on the contacts, recents or favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Now we can tap on blocked numbers, and as you can see, this is our blacklist, and that's the number we just blocked from our contacts. So everything went fine. It is right here, it is blocked. And here from this step we can add a number manually, so just tap on add a phone number, and as you can see in this section you can simply enter the number and tap on block, and as you can see it will immediately appear on the blacklist also. What's more, here we've got the option unknown, which is quite cool and useful, so you can turn it on just by tapping on the switcher, and thanks to this your device will be allowed to block the calls from all unidentified callers. So as I said, it can be quite useful. Of course, you can turn it off whenever you want to just by tapping on the switcher again. And if you'd like to unblock the number, you do not have to go back to the contact list, for example. You can do it simply from this step. So just tap on this X button right next to it and confirm it with unblock, and as you can see the blacklist is empty. So actually this is it. This is how to block a number in your Realme 9. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.